What's going on, everyone? My name's Mexo. Over the last few months, I've been updating my home office and desk setup as I really wanted to improve the aesthetics of the wall treatment in general I had in my room. The walls in this room, the color, it's an ugly beige and I am tired of it. So what I did, I'm going to share 3 tips with you guys on how to improve the aesthetics of your room. These tips that I'm going to share aren't just for a desk setup, they could be applied to any room in your home. So first off, I want to give a disclaimer. This video isn't a tutorial video, it's just a video to give you guys some ideas. If you want to see a tutorial on any of the ideas that I show in this video, drop me a like and comment on the video so I know exactly what you want to see a tutorial on. And remember to subscribe to the channel so when that tutorial drops, you guys will be notified. Let's get right into the video.
The most dramatic change I made to my home office was creating a feature wall. I wanted to do something that really made the room pop and come alive, and I felt that painting one of the walls a different color wasn't going to achieve the effect that I was looking for, so I settled on hanging patterned wallpaper as my new backdrop. Wallpaper is currently very popular, and finding a style or pattern which suits your aesthetic can easily be found in both brick and mortar and online stores. While wallpaper of the past was hard to apply and laborsome to take down, modern wallpaper is super easy to apply and remove. The wallpaper I used was self-adhesive. The best thing I can compare it to is contact paper or MacTac. Installation is really simple. You just cut a piece to your desired length and peel the backing off as you apply it to the wall. I was able to finish this wall in about an hour and a half, and that was going really slow and taking my time to match up the pattern the best that I could. Self-adhesive wallpaper peels off without leaving any kind of residue, so when you're ready to make a change, it's really easy to reapply. My second tip is to frame a series of pictures or posters. Behind my desk setup in my home office, I have a triptych of travel posters from my favorite video games, and prints and posters are a great way to inject your own personality into your office space. My only advice when framing a series of prints or posters is to use the same frame for each of your prints. Using a different frame for each print or for a series of prints comes off as looking amateur. If you want to take your prints to the next level, you can create a gallery wall. A gallery wall is a fun and creative way to show off your personality in any space. I have a gallery wall in my living room which I use to convey a lot of my personality. As my longtime subscribers know, I'm a huge Radiohead fan, I love pop art, and I was raised a Brazilian national team football supporter, so all these loves of mine I was able to showcase in my gallery wall. Unlike a series of prints where you want to be consistent using the same frame, a gallery wall you could use a variety of different frames for your prints or posters. My best tip I could leave you guys is when creating a gallery wall is to invest in a good mat cutter and doing your own framing and matting. By cutting your own mats and framing your own prints, you'll save tons of money and it makes for a fun project. I bought my mat cutter for around $25 and I'll link the one that I'm using in the description down below. One last tip for gallery walls is not to be afraid of using different color frames. I have a second gallery wall in the front entryway of my home and I used random color picture frames and I think it worked really well in this space. My third and final tip for this video is a really simple and easy DIY hack. Whenever I travel, I always buy soccer scarves from the cities that I visit as memorabilia, but I used to drape my scarves over all the doors in my home, and one day my girlfriend suggested to me that I should just hang them to better show them off. So all I did for this project was buy hooks and a wooden rod from Home Depot. The entire project cost $5 and 10 minutes of my time, and I think it looks great.
So those are all the tips I have for this video. If you have any questions about anything that you've seen, leave me a comment below. If you found the video useful, drop me a like and remember to subscribe to the channel. I'm currently redoing my desk setup for 2018 and there's one more piece of the puzzle that I'm waiting for. It might begin with nano and end in leaf. So if that's something you're interested in, remember to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.